Hey, what's up guys? It's Ed from RN Computing, and today I am going to be showing you the AQA COMP1 2015 skeleton program, which is called Capture the Sarrum. So I'll be going through the basics with you. Okay, so the background to the program is that it's an ancient variant of the game of chess. It's a two-player game split by colour, white and black, and the players take alternate goes to move one of their pieces. And these different pieces have different rules that determine how they can move. A lot like chess. And just like chess, the player using the white pieces always moves first. So you can see that AQA have taken an ancient sort of twist on the game of chess, and this is what the skeleton code is going to be revolving around. And the aim of the game is to capture the opponent's Sarrum, which directly translate to king. The playing board, as you can see on the screen right now, is 8x8, and the rows are called ranks and the columns are called files. You see the 8x8 grid? That's going to be your playing board, which you put your pieces on. So the top of it is going to be where white are heading, and the bottom of it is going to be where black are heading. Okay, so there's going to be general rules that govern the game. So there are six different types of pieces in the game, and each of these has different rules that governs how they behave. If a piece moves into a square containing one of the opponent's pieces, then it is taken and removed off the board, just like chess. No piece can move into a square containing another piece of the same colour, just like chess. Okay, so now we're going to go on to the pieces. The first one is called the Sarrum, which the game revolves around. Can move one square at a time in any direction. And that's it. The Mars Pani, which translates as the royal attendant, can move one square at a time either vertically, so upwards, or horizontally. It cannot make diagonal moves. Next piece is the Nabu, which is the seer. It can move one square at a time along a diagonal, but it cannot make horizontal or vertical moves. Next piece is the Etlu, which translates as the warrior. It can move exactly two squares, emphasis on the exactly because it can't just do one. At a time, it's in either a vertical or horizontal motion. It cannot make diagonal moves, but it can jump over other pieces. Right, this is hard to say. The next one is called the Gizjigger, or the chariot. It can move any number of squares at a time in either a vertical or horizontal line. It cannot make diagonal moves, and it cannot jump over other pieces. There's the next piece, the Reedom, which is the soldier. It can move forward one square at a time if the square directly in front is empty. If a diagonal square contains an opponent's piece, the Reedom can move into that square and will capture that piece. If it reaches the back rank, it's promoted in a Mars Pani. Okay, so the AQA have been a bit cheeky, and they've mentioned that the witch was... Records have shown that the witch was in the game, but it's not known how this piece was used. This is likely to be an amendment in the Section D question, and if you guys want me to make predictions on what will come up in the Section D, I will be willing to make a prediction video, probably based off the wikibooks, with all of the predicted codes and, well, not predicted codes, but just the solutions in Python. So my school is going to be using Python 3.0 or 3.4 as it is now. But yeah, that is the background of the code. I hope that was helpful, and please like if you want me to do a section on the predictions of the questions that could come up in Section D. Okay, thank you guys.